Hello guys, welcome to Amit Things. In this video we will see how we can easily create and run an HTML project on Visual Studio 2022. So I have just opened it, VS 2022. Herein click on continue without code. After clicking continue without code, we have reached inside our VS 2022. Go to file, click on new, click on file. So from herein you can select the HTML page or a JavaScript file or even a CSS file. I want HTML, so I'll just click on HTML and click on open. So here it is, we have reached our HTML page. You can directly add some stuff here. Let's say I'll just add Amit Things heading, paragraph tag, our first HTML page. Okay, so I'll just go to file. I'll just go to file and click on save all. Now you can save the file. You can add any name. Let's say add the following name only. You can also add it on the desktop. Let's say I'll go to desktop here and I'll just save it. That's it. Now what I'll do to run it. So guys, to run it, right click and click on view in browser. Okay, so default browser is Microsoft Edge for a system. You can change it in the settings, but it will open in browser, view in browser. Now here it is, Amit Things was our heading and our first text paragraph was our first HTML page. So guys, in this way you can easily create an HTML file and HTML project on Visual Studio 2022.